Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another Wealthsimple TFSA portfolio update. I probably should have done this update yesterday. The markets, not looking great today. The CPI data is out in the States, more than expected. Inflation, I don't think it's any surprise for anybody else. Canada's will be out, obviously, I guess shortly. We'll see how that has a reflection, but obviously everything follows what happens, I think, what happens in the States. So with those numbers, market is down. Let's jump into the portfolio. We'll show you how we're doing. I have been starting to share the portfolio purchases over in my community tab. So if you aren't subscribed, head on over there, take a look, subscribe to the channel, follow along. You'll see the purchases that I do make. I will post as I make them. And I will just do a quick update today, show you how we're doing in general for the TFSA portfolio. Let's jump into it. All right, here we are in the TFSA app. We're down, you can see in the month, down 4.78%. We're down, like if we actually go in today, we're probably down 2%. I just have woken up here. Here we are down 2.12%. Let's just go through and show you how we can look at the prices today. The market is just all over the map. So let's just do our total values of the positions in the portfolio. That's probably the best way to kind of take a look at things right now instead of a daily price. I'm trying to, kind of ignore the daily prices. This is for myself, long-term portfolio. So we're gonna ignore almost the daily price, and I wish payday was today because there's a couple of ETFs that I wanted to purchase, but again, payday's on Friday, so we'll have to wait for that. So anyways, let's do total value BEP.UN. That's the Brookfield's Renewables, 12 shares of that. We're up 6.5%, $36.07. That's nice. That is a pricey share. I do want to buy more of those. It's just tough to get that full share. BTC.Y, that's the Bitcoin yield ETF. This one's the volatile one, down 25.05% on the portfolio, $135. That's okay though, not too worried about that. The CMC.V Cielo solutions, 150 shares, we're down almost 95%. We're just letting that one sit there. Learning experience, we'll call that one, and we'll move on from that. ETC, this is the Bitcoin and Ethereum ETF, and now this one does not pay a dividend yield. We are down 60%, which is substantial for that one, unfortunately. But this one I will be still dollar cost averaging into. Actually, if you checked out my community tab, I did purchase a couple of those from one of the dividends that I got from VDY. So I was able to purchase 2 shares, lower my cost a little bit, and I think long term that's my one of my long term holds. So not too worried about that right now. Greenlane Renewables down 33.09%. That one's, again, that was kind of our long-term, kind of more of a risky investment on there for sure. REI.UI, that's the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust, down 2.83%, not too bad, 25 shares. And R&W, TransAlta Renewables, we're down 10.96%. This one, regular dividends, happy with though. I'll still be averaging into that one, try and keep the positions kind of in the rough percentages that I have right now. So we'll be purchasing more of that. Solar Alliance Energy, this is one, a little bit of gamble. Long term, see what happens here. We're down 38.22% on 810 shares. I want to get about 1,000 shares of that. The Greenlane and that one, I did want to kind of have 1,000 shares just to kind of see what happens. That was more for that. Slate Office REIT, SOT.UN, 106 shares. We're down 11.11% on that one. And Telus doing okay, up 2.79% on 18 shares. Telus channel favorite. I will be purchasing more Telus. People always ask what's your goal with Telus, and it's usually just more. So that's we'll be slowly adding to that position as well for Telus. VDY, this one's been doing good, had great dividend this last month, which was great. It was able to purchase with the dividends a few of the Bitcoin, the ETC ETF, which happy about that. 62 shares, up 3.89%. And the last one, VFE, that's the Vanguard S&P 500 Index ETF. That's always a mouthful. We're down 4.95%. And that's obviously, we can go look at that one today. The S&P is definitely getting hit today. Today's price, we are down 2.11% on VFE alone. So as you can see here, everything is in the red today. Nothing green. Oh, except Brookfield in the green. So let's just show how we're doing for the portfolio. Obviously today, 2.12% so far down today. On the week, we'd had a decent past few days though. If you've been checking your portfolios, last week was great, and then for the month we're down 4.78%. Past 3 months, we're up 6.8%. So we're catching back up here, slowly dollar cost averaging, happy about that. Past year, 12.35%, and we'll go all time 12.24%. So we basically lost 2% today. Not fun, but again, not sweating anything, just kind of going for the long term there. All right, let me know down in the comments below how your portfolio is doing. Did you make any buys? Have you sold anything? What's going on? There's always some great feedback from all these videos, and I encourage you, if you aren't subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Check out the comments below. There's a lot of smarter people down there than necessarily than me. So thanks for watching. We'll do another update later on in the week. Hopefully the week does improve. I also have another update for the venture fund, Wealthsimple Venture Fund. If you've been following that along, I will post an update for that very shortly. Just have to get that one together. And that's all, everybody. We'll catch you in the next video. Hopefully everything is on the up and up. We'll see how it goes. Thanks.